What is the difference between an eggplant and a brinjal? There is no difference between eggplant and brinjal. Brinjal and eggplant are two different terms we use interchangeably to refer to the same food. An eggplant is an egg-shaped fruit. It is quite fleshy and frequently cooked as a vegetable. Brinjal is a less common name used for eggplants. South Asians such as Indians and Sri Lankans mainly use this name. Brinjal eggplant, aubergine, guinea squash, and melongene are some other names for this vegetable. However, in Sabah, they are popularly referred to as terung, a Malay word, or kiow, which is Chinese in origin and subsequently adopted by the Kadazans in Penampang District. Bintoung is a more original Kadazan Dusun word to refer to this fruit vegetable.